And the Lord said unto Noah, Come thou and all thy house into the ark, for thee have I seen righteous before me in this generation. What has Noah even done to be righteous? Surely the previous chapters could have alluded to what made Noah so amazing. At this point, God may as well have just picked a name out of a hat. And could you imagine if God changed his mind and made Noah not stay on the ark? I made you build an ark, but now you have to watch it float away and die.